Now students, we will start our half yearly syllabus with the chapter factorization of algebraic expression, okay? And we will start with exercise 7a, and I will do the questions of exercise 7a, and you have to write all the questions down in your copy. So the first question in exercise 7a is we have to factorize 16a square minus 24ab. So how will we factorize this? Okay, so now think, how can I now what you need to do in questions like this is, first of all you need to prime factorize the numbers. The number here is 16. So if I prime factorize 16, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. So in 16 you can see there are 4 2's. So you, instead of 16 I can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and now instead of 20, now I will prime factorize 24. 24 2 12 is 24, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6. So what is 24? 24 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so now what we will do, instead of this 16 I will write how many 2's are there? 4 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And instead of this a square I will write a into a. Now I will prime factorize this 24. Instead of 24 I will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and instead of ab I will write a into b. Now what we will do, we will look for terms which are in the first, this is our first term, okay, this part, and this is our second terms. So what you have to do in questions like this, after expanding the numbers, is look for numbers which are in both the terms. As see, this 2 is here also, 2 is here also. So I will write 2 once, okay. Again this 2 is here also and 2 is here also. So I will write 2. Again now you forget about the 2 that I have circled, okay. As you can see 2 is here also and 1 2 is here also. Okay, now 1 2 is here, but here we don't have any 2. We have 3 here, but here also we don't have any 3, so there are no numbers we can take common. Now let's look at the letters. 1a is here, 1a is here also, so take a common. Now nothing else will remain common because a is here but a is not here, b is here, b is not here. So put a bracket here. In the first term what we are left with, we are left with 2 into a equal to 2a, minus in the second term we are left with 3 into b equal to 3b. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 into a, 8a, and here we have 2a minus 3b. So our first question is done. Now let's go to the second question. In the second question we have 14m minus 21. So how can I write 14? If you prime factorize 14, it will come out to be 7 2 is 14. And if I prime factorize 21, what I will get? 7 3 is 21. So instead of 14 I will write 7 into 2, and m is there, so I will write into m, and this 21 I will write as 7 into 3. Now if you look carefully, 7 is here also, 7 is here also. So what you will take? You will take 7 common. Here what will be left? 2m will be left, minus 3 you will write. So it will be 7 you take common, 2m minus 3. So in this way you can do the second question also. Now let's do the third question. In the third question, we have 9n square minus, 9n, not 9n square, minus 12n square. So if you prime factorize 9, 3 3s are 9. So 9 is what? 3 into 3. And what is 12? 12 is 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. So 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. So 9n you will write, 9 is 3 into 3 into n. What is 12? 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. And because we have n square here, I will write n into n, okay. Now look at the first two terms, this one and this one. If you look carefully, 3 is in the first term also, 3 is in the second term also. So 3 will come common. Again, n is in the first term also, n is in the second term also. So n will also come common. In the first term, what is left now? Here we are left with just 3. So I will write 3 here. In the second term, I am left with 2 into 2, 4. 4 into n, 4n. So I will write minus 4n. So this will be, so one more step you can write. 3 into n is how much? 3n. And here I will write 3 minus 4n. So this is your answer of the third question. Now let's do the fourth question. Fourth question, what we have? We have 24x cube minus 6x square plus 28x square y. So what we will do? We will prime factorize the number one by one. The numbers first. First is 24. If you prime factorize 24, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Okay. So 24 I will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And x cube I will write as x into x into x. Okay. Now let's write 6x square minus, how will I write 6? If you prime factorize 6, you will get 2 3s are 6. So I will write 2 into 3 into, and because we have x square, I will write x into x. Okay, let's leave this part now, not required. Now let's do the third one. Third one is what? 28x square. 28 you will write as 2 14s are 28, 2 7s are 14. So I will write 2 into 2 into 7. X squared y. X squared y means I have 2x. X into x into y. Okay. Now look at all the three terms. This first, second and third. We need to look at in numbers which are common in all the three terms. 2 is here also. 2 is here also. 2 is here also. So you can take 2 common. Again, if you look, 2 is here. 2 here also will get 2. Here also will get 2. But here is no 2. So we cannot take 2 common. Now let's look at 3. We have 3 here also. But in the third term, we don't have 3. So we cannot take 3 common. Now let's focus on the letters. We have 1x here, 1x here, and 1x here. So you can take x common. Now what else will come common? X is here also, here also, here also. So another x will come common. Now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 into x, 12x, minus 3 plus 2 7 is 14, 14 into y is 14y. So it is 2 into x is 2x square, 12x minus 3 plus 14y. This is the answer to your fourth question. Okay. Now let's do the fifth question also. In the fifth question we have what? In the fifth question we have 16 ab square minus 20 ab. Okay. Now first of all, prime factorize 16. 2 8 times 16, 2 4 times 8, 2 2 times 4. 16 I will write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now what about this ab square? This ab square, I have 1a and I have 2b. ab squared, so I am writing 1a, and because b2 is there, so I am writing 2b. Okay. Minus 20. 20 you prime factorize 2 10 times, 2 5 times. So I will write 2 into 2 into 5. AB I will write A into B. Okay. Now look at these two terms. What do we have common in both the terms? If you look carefully, 2 is here also, 2 is here also. So 2 will come common. Again, one more 2 is here also, one more 2 is here also. So this 2 will also come common. Now what about A? I have got a here, I have got a here. So A will also come common. Again, I have got a here and got a here. So A will come common. Again, this B will also come common. B is here also. So into B. So in the first, what we are left with? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into B, 4B. Minus 5. So 2 to the 4 into AB, 4AB, 4B minus 5. So this is your answer. Now let's look at the sixth question. Sixth question is what? 12x square y cube minus 12x square y cube minus 21x cube y square. Okay, 12x square y cube minus 21x cube y square. Okay, so how can I write 12? If you prime factorize 12, you will get, in a side I will do 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. So 12 I will write 2 into 2 into 3. So here I am writing, instead of 12 I am writing 2 into 2 into 3 x square. X square means 2x will be there, x into x. Y cube means how many y will be there? 3y I think. Y into y into y. Okay, now let's talk about this one. 21 7 3s are 21. 7 into 3. How many x are there? 3x. X into x into x. Y's are there, y into y. Okay, 2y, so I'm writing y squared is there, so I'm writing 2y here. Now look at both the expressions carefully. What are the things that are common in both? See, 2 is here in the first expression, but in the second expression we don't have any 2. First I'm looking at numbers. 3 is a number that is common here also, here also. So I will write 3 into. What else is common? X is here also, x is here also, x. Again, one more x is here also, one more x is here also. So I will write x. Again, y is here also, y is here also. So I will write y. Again, one more y is here also, one more y is here also. Now put the bracket. So here what we are left with? 2 into 2, 4, and 1y. 4 into y is what? 4y. Minus, in this one, 7 into x, 7x. Now 3 is there. X into x is x square. Y into y is y square. 4y minus 7x. So this is your answer. Question number 5, this is your answer. Now let's do question number 7. Question number 6 answer is done. Question number 7. Question number 7 is 14x cube plus 21 x power 4 y minus 28 x square y square. So prime factorize numbers one by one. 14 is what? 14 is 2 into 7. So instead of this one I will write 2 into 7. X cube means how many x are there? 3x. X into x into x. Okay. 21 we have done before also. 21 is what? 7 into 3. So I will write 7 into 3. X power 4 means how many x will come? 3x, 4x. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 y will come. Now 28 I will write how? 7 4 is 28 means 7 into 2 into 2. X squared means 2x will come. And y squared means 2y will come. Now let's take common. 7 is here also. 7 is here also. 7 is here also. 7 will come common. Again, what else can we take common? X is here also. X is here also. X is here also. So 1x will come. Another x. 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 And I don't think anything else will come common. So what will remain? 2 into x, 2x. 3 into x into x into y means 3x square y minus 2 to the 4 into y square, 4y square. So 7x square, 2x plus 3x square y minus 4y square. So this is your answer. So question number 7 is done. Let's do question number 8. Question number 8 we have 10a cube minus 20a square b. Now let's prime factorize one by one. 10 is what? 2 5s are 10. So instead of 10, I will write 2 into 5. And instead of a cube, I will write a into a into a. Now let's talk about 20. 20, 2 10s are 2 5s are 10. So I will write 2 into 2 into 5. A square, I will write a into a into b. So 2 is in the first term also, 2 is in the second term. So I will write 2 into 5 in the first term also, second term also, 2 into 5. What else will be common? A is here also, a is here also. So I will write 1a. Again one a is here also, a is here also. So you write 1a. Now a is here and b is here. A is not here, b is here, b is not here. So now I will write in the first term what is remaining. We are left with a. In the second term we are left with 2b. So we have 2 5s are 10. A into a is a square. A minus 2b. Now question number 9. 9 we have 36 x cube y minus 60 x square y cube z. Now how will you write 36? 36 is 2 18 times, 2 9 times, 3 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. X cube means 3x will come and 1 y will come. Now let's talk about 60. How will we write 60? 60 is 2 30 times, 2 15 times, 3 5 times. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. X square means 2x will come, y cube 3y and 1z. Now look at both of them. What is common in both the terms? 2 is here also, here also. Another 2 is here also, here also. 3 is here also, here also. 2x are here, 2x are here. So I will write x square. 1 y is here, 1 y is here. So y. We are left with what? 3 into x equal to 3x minus 5 into y square, 5y square z. 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12. 12 x square y. 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12. And here we have 3x minus 5y square z.